Crypto Donut here. I want to make a video as fast as possible about a few different websites that I recommend for exchanges on cryptocurrency and other things. I'm gonna miss a few here, but I'm gonna just try to do the highlights that I go through usually on a daily, if not obviously more than a daily basis. One of them is if you are going to be just getting into Bitcoin or Ethereum or Litecoin, and you're just looking for a very simple, user-friendly interface, and you don't really want to get confused with as far as the charts and any of the margins or lending or anything like that. You just want to get into it as quickly as possible. Coinbase is going to be one of the better ones that I recommend for that, just because of the ease of access. If you do Coinbase, then I would suggest that you use the link that I have down below. I only have a couple referrals, and the only reason why I use this one and suggest it is just because if you do spend $100 on Bitcoin on purchasing it, then you will get $10 by doing so, and it's just a win-win situation. I get $10, you get $10 in Bitcoin. The other thing I would go ahead and suggest, and this is why I'm even making this video, as you can see, is the Bitcoin
13,500.
The Bitcoin price is actually going up right now again, but as it's fluctuating, I just want to try to get this out to people so that they can get into it while it's down again, because it will be going back up. We've seen this fluctuate in the past, and it is volatile, so anybody that does invest in this, just expect a roller coaster ride. But this is going to just continue to go up. So my total advice is just don't get. It's awesome to watch it and keep an eye on how it's going up and up and or whatever. But it's just almost best to sit back and just figure this is going to be a long-term investment. Any money that you put into this, you should just figure that this should be something that you're going to keep in at least for a year, because if you do this, I guarantee you, I shouldn't say guarantee, you will be happy that you did, if not regret that you didn't do more. And those of you that are kind of still worried about the investment, obviously just think of it this way, that put however much money that you're considering in, then after you wait about a month or so, once this actually doubles, then you will go ahead and be able to take out the money that you initially put into it, and then you're not losing anything at that point. It's just already a total gain. So if it all goes lost, then you never lost anything, you got your money back. But again, that's not going to happen. So the other thing that I was going to show, besides the Coinbase, in which again the link is down below, will be in my description. Otherwise, just go to coinbase.com, and then if you don't want to do the referral, that's not a big deal. The next one is going to be Gemini.com. This is actually the Winklevoss twins website. So I understand one of the only exchanges in the United States that deals with cryptocurrency. The registration for this and getting your limits high, that just $500 a day, is actually pretty easy to do. So I do recommend this one just because of how easy it is, as well as you still get your charts. You do not, the two currencies that they only do right now is Ethereum and Bitcoin, whereas Coinbase does offer Ethereum, Bitcoin, and Litecoin. If you do sign up for Coinbase and you want that little bit more of the charts and whatnot, you actually have already an account that you're then automatically signed up for that's called GDAX. Now this one is, as you can see, a lot more intricate on like the buying and selling, that you can like see what's going on almost in obviously real time, and see you can change the charts and for how long it goes back as far as hours, minutes, days, and then the candlestick or line. I believe, that they do limit market and stop on it too, so you can actually do again like all three, because it is just the same as Coinbase, but a little bit more control obviously. The other one I go ahead and suggest is Poloniex, just because this actually offers margin trading and lending. The exchange is a lot nicer too. I have it in dark mode right now just because it's easier on my eyes, but you can again change this on the different types of zoom and what you want, but quick and easy trading to buy and sell. The other thing is that this offers different types of markets, especially the different coins that you wouldn't normally see on like any of the main exchanges. So these might be obviously a little bit more high risk, but what is awesome about these are that they're kind of like the penny stocks, that they go up and down very nicely, but the like it's not quick by any means, but it's by jumps and leaps. So it's kind of nice to just invest like $5 here and there on ones that you go ahead and pick and choose from and see what you get out of it. Just with my luck that I've gotten out of it already is that like in the past week I've doubled the amount of money that I've put into it. So obviously way better than dealing with Bitcoin right now, just because of where it's kind of getting bad rap and all the other kinds of things going on. That being said, I will go right over to, actually we'll mention one more. Kraken is again another one that offers a lot of other currencies, not only crypto, but you can actually go ahead and change them from euro and I thought another country besides that, but they don't do as crazy as what the Poloniex does, and that you can see that you got the main ones here that like Kraken would pretty much do right there, and then some more of them that I've never really seen on any other exchanges, that are kind of hard to purchase without mining. So the other thing I wanted to mention was the crypto calendar. I'm going to put this in the description as well, but really nice. So like on those ones of the other currencies, or just even Bitcoin in general, that you can see what is going on. If they have any kind of events or forks or anything that's going on, like what today with the Einsteinium had a hard fork when they were updating their wallet, and the price has kind of gone down since yesterday, that they actually put a hold on the coin of purchasing or selling it. So what else? Just kind of nice, the events of like different kind of conventions and whatnot that they're doing. but kind of gives you a heads up a little bit when you're investing a little bit of money into this. Like I said, $5, you can throw it down, see that something's coming up as far as like a fork or something like that, throw it down on there and see it go up that, especially like 20 some %, and then get back out of it. The other thing, last but not least, is that for the past month now, more than a month now, that I've been into bitconnect, and they have been producing quite a bit. And so I shouldn't say quite a bit. In the past couple of days they've produced, but as long as they're going like under 1%, the only reason I would even suggest going into bitconnect whatsoever is if you actually invest more than $1,000 into it. Then you see, like, especially when they do like a 1.3 return or on the volatility, then you get about $13 or $12 or $10, whatever. So it's not too bad as far as that goes, but again, they're gonna be holding your money for 260 days if you do that kind of a loan, and otherwise if you do $10,000, it's gonna be that 120 days. And that one, I mean, again, this is going to be high risk, man. If you're willing to do it, then that high amount of money, anybody that has that 10,000 plus, you'll be getting it in 3 months plus. Like, you're going to be doubling it, and that it will be converted into Bitcoin. So a way to guarantee, I can't say even guarantee again, the interest in getting that, it's kind of nice, but that's as if you want to dabble in that and kind of throw again your money around. Okay, that was 12 minutes 18 seconds. So hopefully I didn't miss anything, but again, I'm going to leave a bunch of this stuff in the description, and anybody that has any kind of questions, I'm going to try to do more in depth of each one of these as well as others on how to navigate and whatnot, from the beginning of registering and going on into it. So if you guys want to see anything else, please leave in the comments anything else that you'd like to see or have me do as far as daily updates or anything like that. Yeah, thanks for watching.